Can anyone raise their hand and tell me what this letter is? Yes, Mariah.
B.
B. Absolutely. And now we're
How
actually
could a couple of you tell me a word that starts with the letter B? Something that you know. Nikki.
Butterfly.
Butterfly starts with B. What about another one? Kathleen.
Bug.
Bug. That has the B sound at the beginning of bug. All right, we're going to split in half, and we're going to teach two of you in two separate groups.
Okay, my group, what you have in front of you is a letter B. What I want you to do with your partner or by yourself is take your pointer finger and I want you to trace over the letter B. Great job, Julia. Good job. Okay, awesome job. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to do that same thing in the air, okay? I want you to trace the letter B in the air. Awesome job.
All right, what we're going to do is you can hold up your little cards that have the letter B on it. I want you to take your finger and just practice tracing the letter B. It has a ball and a baseball bat. All right, now if you can take your finger and just trace it in the air like the letter B. Very good.
Hey boys and girls, today we're going to split up into our groups that we've already discussed. Red group will be up in the corner with Miss Nikki for number lines. Blue group will be up in the opposite corner with me using uniblocks. And the green group is going to be up here with Miss Megan. So go ahead and go to your designated spots.
Alright girls, today we are going to practice counting by fives. So in this first station, we're going to use the number line counting. So when I point to the number, I want you guys to say it with me. So we're going to start at 0, and then the next number will be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop. Okay, so we reached 5. So that's our first number by counting by fives.
Okay, so we're working on counting by fives. So we are going to use touch point math to count to the 5. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first number when we count by fives is 5. So now we're going to add on to 5 when we count on our next one. So it's going to start with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So our next number of 5 is 10. Does anyone want to give it a try?
Beginning?
Sure.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There.
Let's try counting by fives, okay?
That's what the teacher said to do.
Yeah, that's what the teacher said to do. 5.
10.
15, 20.
Okay, are we gonna count each one? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try again. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Switch that way, girls. You're going to move this
Walk
way.
it around. Oh, 5 blocks.
You girls can come right back.
As Miss Mariah and I are going to be teaching Leonardo the Terrible Monster.
I'll be playing Leonardo.
And I'll be reading the book. O. Willems presents Leonardo the Terrible Monster. Leonardo was a terrible monster.
Do you think Leonardo looks like a terrible monster?
Pat your head if you think he looks like a terrible monster.
What makes him look so terrible? What'd you say, Jess?
He's scary looking.
Scary looking. What makes him look scary?
His nostrils, tongue, his teeth.
So, boys and girls, what do we do when we have to add different fractions?
Find a common denominator.
That's right.
Pieces to use. I don't really understand this yet.
Okay, well, how much is one yellow piece? Let's put it together.
1/4?
1/4, right. How many of the eighths can go on top of 1/4?
Let's see. 2.
2, right. So how much is 1/4?
2/8.
Yeah. Okay, Miss Seaver, so I'm going to be teaching math today. We're going to do addition, and you're going to go around and you're going to collect data. What are you going to collect it on?
Just to see how students are doing, who's doing well, and who needs some extra help.
Okay, great. Thank you. That'll be very helpful.
No problem.
Well, does anyone know what addition is? Amy, what's addition?
Putting two numbers together?
Good. Does anyone else know what addition is and another way to, does they have another way to say it? What do you think?
Maybe you combine two numbers?
That's a great way to say it. So we're gonna start with a simple problem. So we're gonna do 1 plus 3. And I'm gonna draw a little picture for you guys so you can see what it would look like. So we have 1 apple, sorry my drawings are kind of bad, plus 3 apples. Can you count with me so we can see what it is? 1 plus 2, 3, 4. How many apples do we have all together? 4. Good job. Okay, so are all the students following along? What did you see?
Yeah, for the most part, as you can see here, most of the students did pretty well, but I think Amy had a little trouble.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to give her some extra help.
Yeah, she seemed a little shaky when she was answering
Yeah.
some questions.